Have you ever wanted to say something simple like hello in English, but suddenly your mind went blank?
Oh, yes. Many times. I knew the words, but when the moment came, I became nervous.
That happens to so many people.
Especially when someone speaks English first. My brain says, "Quick, say something." But my mouth says, nothing.
Yes, if that sounds familiar, today's episode is definitely for you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back.
You're listening to 24/7 Talk English.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Harry.
Today, we're talking about one of the most important parts of speaking English.
Greetings.
The small words that start conversations.
And sometimes those small words can feel very scary.
Exactly, because greetings are usually the first thing we say.
But the good news is this.
You don't need difficult English.
You only need a few simple phrases and a little confidence.
Confidence is the difficult part sometimes.
That's true. So let's make it easier together.
Sounds good.
Alex, do you remember your first time speaking English with a stranger?
Oh, yes. I remember it very clearly.
Really? Tell us.
I was at a small shop, and a tourist asked me, "Hi, how are you?"
That's a very common greeting.
Yes, but I panicked. I forgot everything. I only smiled and said, yes.
That's actually very common.
I went home and thought about that conversation all day.
Did you feel embarrassed?
A little.
Many English learners feel exactly the same.
Yes. Sometimes we think we must speak perfect English.
But real conversations are not perfect.
That's true.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
Really?
Of course. People forget words, speak too fast, or say the wrong thing sometimes.
That actually makes me feel better.
English is communication, not perfection.
I like that.
So let's start with the easiest greeting in the world.
Hello.
Exactly. Simple and powerful.
You can use it almost anywhere.
At work,
At school,
at the airport,
in a shop,
on a phone call.
even online.
Another common greeting is hi.
It feels more friendly and relaxed.
Yes. If you meet a friend, you can simply say hi.
Hi, Harry.
Hi, Alex. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great.
See? That sounds natural.
And it only takes a few seconds.
Sometimes small conversations start with small greetings.
Exactly.
What about different times of the day?
Good question.
I know one.
Go ahead.
Good morning.
Perfect.
We use it in the morning.
Then we have good afternoon.
And later, good evening.
Very nice.
What about good night?
That's a common mistake.
Really?
We usually say good night when leaving or before sleeping.
I see.
Imagine this.
Okay.
You meet your friend at 8 p.m.
I say good evening.
Correct.
Then when I go home, I say good night.
Exactly.
Wow, that makes sense now.
Let's do a little speaking practice.
Yes. Join us, everyone.
Repeat after me.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good night.
Great job.
Even if you're listening in your room, say the words out loud.
Your mouth needs practice too.
That's a very important point.
Reading English and speaking English feel different.
Exactly.
Sometimes I know the sentence in my head, but speaking feels strange.
That's why practice matters.
Small practice every day creates big improvement.
Let's talk about another common greeting.
How are you?
Probably one of the most famous English questions.
And many learners think they need a long answer.
Haha, yes.
Do we?
Not usually.
Really?
Most people simply answer, I'm good, thanks.
Or, I'm fine, thank you.
Exactly.
Then we ask back.
How about you?
Or, and you?
Perfect.
Let's try a role play.
Sounds good.
Hi, Harry. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you.
Nice and easy.
No stress,
No difficult grammar.
just communication.
Let's imagine another situation.
Maybe at work?
Great idea.
Okay.
You arrive at your office.
I see my coworker.
What do you say?
Good morning.
Perfect.
Then maybe, how are you today?
Excellent.
What if I'm in a shop?
You can say hello.
Simple.
Very simple.
What about travel?
Ah, yes. Imagine you're at an airport.
Okay.
Staff member says, good afternoon.
I answer, good afternoon.
Then they ask, how are you?
I say, I'm fine, thank you.
That's it.
Wow, travel English suddenly feels less scary.
Because greetings are like keys.
Keys.
Yes, they open conversations.
I love that idea.
Most conversations begin with simple words.
Not difficult words.
Not perfect grammar.
Just simple greetings.
Let me tell you a short story.
Oh, I like stories.
A listener once told us about her first English conversation. Really? She worked in a small cafe.
Okay.
One day, an international customer entered.
I would be nervous already.
She was nervous too.
What happened?
She smiled and said, hello, good morning.
Nice.
The customer smiled back.
That's encouraging.
Then she asked, how are you today?
Wow.
The conversation only lasted 1 minute.
But I guess it felt important.
Very important.
Because it was her first real conversation.
Exactly.
Sometimes small wins become big memories.
That's true.
Maybe some listeners are waiting for their first English conversation too.
And maybe it starts with one word.
Hello.
Exactly.
That's actually motivating.
Let's learn some useful phrases now.
Ready.
Nice to meet you.
We use it when meeting someone for the first time.
Correct.
Another one is nice to see you.
That's usually for people you already know.
Ah, I see.
Then we have See you later.
A friendly goodbye.
And have a nice day.
I hear that in videos all the time.
Because it's very common. Let's review our vocabulary. Number 1. Hello. Number 2. Hi. Number 3. Good morning. Number 4. Good afternoon. Number 5. Good evening. Number 6. How are you? Number 7. Nice to meet you. Number 8. Nice to see you. Number 9. See you later. Number 10. Have a nice day. Fantastic! Let's do one final speaking challenge. Yes. Imagine you're meeting a new friend. Ready? Say this after us. Hello. Nice to meet you. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
See you later.
Congratulations!
You just completed a real English greeting conversation.
Maybe it was short.
But it was real English.
And real English changes lives one conversation at a time.
If you're shy, remember this.
Confidence does not come before speaking.
Confidence comes from speaking.
Even small conversations matter.
Even one sentence matters.
Even one word matters.
Your English journey does not start with perfection. It starts with trying. And maybe tomorrow you'll say hello to someone in English.
Maybe next week you'll have a 1-minute conversation.
And one day you'll speak English with confidence.
We believe in you.
Absolutely.
Thank you for listening to today's episode.
We hope you learned something useful today.
Tell us in the comments, which English greeting do you use most often?
And don't forget to practice your English every day.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to 24/7 Talk English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and keep speaking English.